Now if we're happy with the positioning of the keys text, we can go ahead and put this all together. Right now the way the keys text is raised on top of the box, if we select everything and use our group command, it will combine the word keys with the box. So now if we rotate this around, we can see that it's all one part of the object. So we refer to what we're seeing here as having an embossed text on a key chain plate. And by having it embossed, it simply means that the text rises up. It sticks above the keychain plate. But let's say you want to have it cut into the box. We would call that having the text engraved. So to engrave the word keys into this box, we'll first have to ungroup it. So again, let's click and drag, so we're selecting the word keys and the box. And now you should see an ungroup icon. So as a result of clicking on the ungroup icon, you now have your text once again separated from the rest of the box. So in order to engrave the text into the box, we're going to need to increase its height. We need to increase the height of the text. So let's click on the text and let's increase the height to something like maybe 20 or greater. Let's click on our view cube, so we're viewing the keychain plate from the front perspective. And again, we see this black arrow that allows us to adjust the height position of our text. So let's drag it so that it's just like our cylinder earlier, so that part of it's sticking above the box and part of it's sticking below the box. Let's return to our home perspective view. And of course we need to make the keys text into a whole object. So select the keys text if it's not already selected, and then choose the whole option. And now when we select the box and the word keys and choose the group command, it should create us a whole. So now we have what we call engraved text.